Hi, I'm Delana, your APS UDL resource teacher, and today's quick bite on Read and Write is on the Talking Dictionary. In the Read and Write toolbar, there's an option to support us with vocabulary. I could find any word in here that I'm unsure about and highlight that word. I would go to the top of the screen where I locate the dictionary icon, which looks like a book. All I need to do is click on that and a dictionary will appear on my screen. What's nice about this is if the dictionary does appear somewhere inconvenient on my screen, I could click down on the toolbar and I can move it wherever I'd like on my screen to make it more convenient for myself. Within the dictionary, I could hit play just to hear how the word is pronounced.
Sulfur.
And I could go down and have it read each definition to me as well.
Noun. An abundant, tasteless, odorless, multivalent, non-metallic element. Best known in yellow crystals. Occurs in many sulfide and sulfate minerals and even in native form, especially in volcanic regions.
I could easily switch words if I'd like by just highlighting a new word, and the dictionary definition will appear in that box for me. I really like this feature because it does give me what part of speech it falls under, showing whether it's an adjective, noun, verb, whatever it may be, to support my learning. I could come in here and quickly highlight a new word and see what definitions pop up. This is a quick way to learn vocabulary using Read and Write. Thanks for watching. To learn more about UDL resources, click subscribe.